Crows in the kingdom. One day, Emperor Akbar and Birbal were taking a walk in the palace gardens. It was a nice summer morning, and there were plenty of crows happily playing around the pond. While watching the crows, a question came into Akbar's head. He wondered how many crows were there in this immense kingdom. Since Birbal was accompanying him, he asked Birbal this question. After a moment's thought, Birbal replied, "There are 95,463 crows in the kingdom." Amazed by his quick response, Akbar tried to test him again. "What if there are more crows than you?" answered. Without hesitating, Birbal replied, "If there are more crows than my answer, then some crows are visiting from other neighbor kingdoms." "And what if there are less crows?" Akbar answered. "Then some crows from our kingdom has gone on holiday to other places." Moral of the story: there is always a way if you think with easy. Birbal's rise. On a cold winter day, Akbar and Birbal took a walk along to lake. A thought came to Birbal that a man could do anything for money. He expressed his feelings to Akbar. Akbar then put his fingers into the lake and immediately removed it because he shivered with cold. Akbar said, "I do not think a man could spend an entire night in the cold water of his lake for money." Birbal replied, "I am sure I can find such a person." Akbar then challenged Birbal into finding such a person and said that he could reward the person with 1,000 gold coins. Birbal searched far and wide until he found a poor man. He was desperate enough to accept the challenge. The poor man entered to the lake, and Akbar had guides posted near him to make sure that he really did as promised. The next morning, the guards took the poor man to Akbar. Akbar asked the poor man if he had indeed spent the night in the lake. The poor man replied that he had. Akbar then asked the poor man how he managed to spend the night in the lake. The poor man replied that there was a street lamp nearby, and he kept his attention fixed on a lamp and away from the cold. Akbar then said that there could be no reward, as the poor man had survived the night in the lake by warmth of the street lamp. The poor man went to the Birbal for help. The next day, Birbal did not go to court. The king wondered where he sent a messenger to his house. The messenger came back saying the Birbal could come once his rice was cooked. The king waited hours, but the Birbal did not come. Finally, the king decided to go to the Birbal's house and see what he was up to. He found Birbal sitting on the floor near some burning twigs on a bowl filled with rice. hanging 5 feet above the fire. The king and his attendants could not help but laugh. Akbar then said to Birbal, How can the rice be cooked if it is so far from the fire? Birbal answered, the same way the poor man received heat from a street lamp that was more from the furlong away. The king understood his mistake and gave the poor man his reward. Moral of the story: a small ray of hope is enough to inspire the one who is ready to work hard to turn his dream into a reality. Thank you.